Hello, my name's Jessie Gerbata, and I'm a Staff Development Specialist with the Department of Innovation and Learner Engagement. Today, we're going to look at how you can use Cami in your hybrid setting by using the comment tool to help give your students feedback. Some perks of using Cami while you're doing hybrid learning are that it allows you and your students to have private conversations while you're in class, but also while they're at home. Cami comments do allow for two-way communication, and you're able to provide very specific and detailed feedback to your students, even though you might not necessarily be with them at that time. Let's take a look. To get started, I'm going to go into my Google Classroom. Once I found my student's assignment, I can go in and I can leave them feedback in a couple different ways. So first, I can leave them a text comment for feedback. So I can click anywhere on the page and say, "Great work, keep it up." If that's not specific or detailed enough, I can do a little bit more detailed by leaving a voice comment. So again, click anywhere on the page. You might have to allow Classroom to use your microphone if this is the first time you've used Cami in Classroom. Great job saying the dog is living. I'm just curious how you knew the dog was living. Okay, so I was able to leave a voice comment right here. So when the student goes back into their work and they click on this little dot, they're going to hear my comment about the dog being a living creature. If I would like students to be able to see my face, I can click video comment. Again, click anywhere on the page. Okay, again, you might have to allow it to use your camera. So now it's actually going to get me. It starts recording immediately. So now I can say, "Hey, really great job. I just wanted you to be able to see my face while I'm talking to you. Keep it up. You're on the right track." When you're done, simply click done. Now students can hear you and see you. And what I think is the strongest way to leave feedback for students is by using the screen capture feature. Notice it's going to ask me what I would like to share with my students, and I'll just share my whole screen. And it's going to start recording right away. So it's recording 1, my face, 2, my voice, but 3, it's also recording my screen. So now what I can do if I want is I can point to stuff. I can say, "Hey, really good job right here on this watch." But I can also come in and I can go to drawing. I can take my black pen. I can say, "Hey, right here, make sure you look at this one." So you can go in and you can actually show them, this is the part I'm talking about. This is what needs worked on. When you're done, click done, and it's going to pop a comment in right here next to the watch. Again, you're going to be able to hear your teacher, see your teacher, and see their screen. So you can point directly to what you want your students to work on. I hope seeing these Cami comment features helps you leave feedback for your students while you and your students are in this hybrid learning environment.